So where did the spirituality aspect come in your life? Because I know that in your office, there would be breaks that would be taken, staff members would get up, the Gayatri Mantra would be every day recited, right? So where did the spiritual bent really come in? Because people would say that happens, either there's a time of crisis or perhaps, testing times. When did spirituality come into your life?
So you know what, like, when you're growing up and your parents tell you that, this is your younger brother, uska dhyan rakhna, even if I'm not there, you're the elder brother. And this is your sister, you have to take care of them. So like that, in my house, God was introduced like that. That you have to invite him or her in every ritual, everything. Sone se pehle, uthne ke baad, ye wo. So God for me, for the longest time, was my friend who I used to go to in terms of, that time we didn't call it anxiety or whatever it was. Kids, I don't know what was happening, we didn't know. But whatever was happening, I used to talk. So for me, it was always like, I'm opening an office now. I'm thinking of traveling to Hawaii. So I've always talked to God as So he had to come into my office also. He comes with me for all the meetings and everything. So I just feel that, I've always, this has always happened.
Just always been a part of, yeah.
In any business we've started or at home or whatever, 2 baar, 3 baar, 4 baar. So Gayatri Mantra was because it reminds me of my grandparents and reminds me about my childhood that, you have to pray like this. So that whole chant comes, that memory takes me back over there. But I also know that it's got great scientific benefits of that chanting. So I just hope that, every company has to create a ritual and a routine. So so for that angle we brought it. But we take it everywhere. So I show you a day-end report. Everybody sent me a day-end report. I show you the day-end report that my 14-year-old shared with me. Yes, I finished the Gayatri Mantra with the meditation.
Awesome.
And that's when the pocket money is released every Saturday.
Love that.
So it's just part of,
So you're bringing this in now as a part of, and that's brilliant because...
if you're 14, you do 14 times Gayatri Mantra. If you're 19, you do 19 times. Yeah.
So, and I think that, really brings the value of, culture and spirituality to them as well.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So like I said, I used to, this word became so cliched so that I stopped using it. But but it was not spiritual for me that you're doing something, or it was not even religious. It was for my parents and my grandparents who taught me this. It was the religious thing.
Yeah.
But for us, it was, they introduced it that, कि ये भी आपके घर के member है, इनके बिना नहीं होता काम, तो इनको हर जगह लेके आओ. Now that was, for us at that time, it was Sri Ram, and then it became Shiva. But then you believe your own faiths. But it was just that God was everything.
Love that.